Namaste, Sharanu Sharanarthigalu, dear learning enthusiasts, welcome to SPPS online classes. Dear students, today we are going to start new lesson from NCERT Class 6th Geography section, The Earth, Our Habitat, Chapter number 4, Maps. Dear children, you have learnt in the previous chapter about the advantages of globe. However, globe has limitations as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study only part of the earth, as about our country, states, districts, towns, and villages, it is of little help. In such a situation, we use maps. Yes, dear students, in this video class, we are going to discuss the chapter map. So let us begin the discussion about the contents of this chapter. The contents are as follows. First one, introduction and importance of maps. Second one, different types of map. Third one, components of maps. The components are distance, direction and symbols. Fourth one, sketch map. Fifth one, plan map. So let us begin our discussion with the first content, introduction and importance of maps. Dear students, a map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale, but it is impossible to flatten a round shape completely. So let us begin our discussion with the what are maps used for. Maps are used to show what the land looks like on the earth. Maps are used to help people navigate. Navigate means travel on the ocean and find directions and know where they are going. Maps are used to define property, borders and ownership of land. So next we go through the uses of maps and atlas. So we find that maps are useful to us for various purposes. One map shows a small area and few facts. Let us read once again. One map shows a small area but few facts. Another map may contain as many facts as a book. When many maps are put together, we get an atlas. So atlas is the one of the book in that various types of maps were stored or binded. So atlases are of various sizes, measurements drawn on different scales. Maps provide more information than a globe. They are of different types. So maps provide more information than a globe. So only just to observe the globe, we can see the oceans as well as the continents as well as the some subcontinents names and the latitudes and longitudes. Now we are talking about the map. In the map we can get the various information because we have chosen a small area in the particular map. For example, subcontinent, or for example district, for example state or a country and so on. So these maps gives a accurate messages or facts. Some of them are described as follows. First one, the science of map making is called the cartography. So the making skill of map called the cartography. So the who draw the cartography, that person called the cartographer. The science of map making is called the cartography, and who make the cartography, that person is called the cartographer. So let us begin our discussion types of maps. So start with the first, there are three major types of maps. One is the physical map, second one is the political map, third one is the thematic map. So within each type of map, there are hundreds of maps that can be produced. So let us start the discussion with the first type of map, that is physical map. the physical maps. Just you observe the map. Here we are viewing or observing the mountains, desert areas, oceans, river system, and so on. So maps showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. are called physical or relief maps. So which are the physical maps? The maps showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. are called physical or relief map. So in this map we will get all the features in a one map. So this map is called the physical map. Next we go through the second type of map, that is political map. So just you observe the map here. It is the Indian subcontinent map. In the map we have divided with the political divisions in the map. So which are the political divisions we have divided in that map? So the maps showing cities, towns, villages and different countries and states of the world that their boundaries are called political maps. So in this we have I have taken the Indian subcontinent map. So in that we will get the boundary of the Indian subcontinent map as well as the political divisions of the map, as well as some again the states divided into districts. So in this particular we have taken the Karnataka state map. We will get the district division as well as the towns and the villages. So this type of maps is called the political map. So the subcontinent divided with the various political divisions like state wise, district wise, town wise as well as village wise. So this map is called the political maps. So next lastly the third map is called the thematic maps. So just you observe the map here. Some maps focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of forest, industries, etc. So are known as thematic maps. So I have taken the one of the map that related with the national highways of India. So you will look the national highways that connect the all the states in our subcontinent. So this is the one of the type of a thematical map. Again I am going to read the thematic map. Some maps focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps and maps showing distribution of forests, industries, etc. are known as thematic maps. In the next upcoming class we will get the more information about the maps. So in this last point we are going to some few points related with the thematics maps. So emphasize a particular theme or topic about an area. So usually the thematic map represent data collection statistics. So the thematic maps can be represented as shaded maps, dot maps, flow line maps as well as symbol maps. So in that particular thematical map we can use the dot maps, shaded maps, flow line maps as well as symbol maps. So there are numerous kinds of thematical maps we will get in the atlas. So some common thematic maps are population maps, weather maps, natural resource maps, road maps, land usage maps, economic activity maps and transportation maps. So these are the some types of the thematic maps. In upcoming class we will cover the more contents related to the map chapter. Till then bye bye, stay home, stay safe.